In this video we're going to be checking out another best portable gas grill, which is the Flame King Motorhome. We will see how it stacks up against similar and newer portable gas grills in terms of quality, performance, design, and value for the price. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The versatile Flame King Motorhome can either sit on tabletops or mount on the side of an RV. If your traveling plan includes country crossing or road trips, this portable gas grill would qualify as your primary cooking option. The whole unit measures 17 inches deep by 20 inches wide by 8 inches tall. When you attach the standalone base, it reaches 21.5 inches tall. Meanwhile, the grilling grate and warming rack combine for 214 square inches, which should be ample for most barbecue items. Aside from the standard burner tube, this grill features no other stainless steel components. As part of the standard package, the grill comes with a primary cooking grate, freestanding base, and RV mounting bracket. And not to mention there's an upper warming rack, for good measure. Unlike other brands with clear transparency, Flame King doesn't detail the exact material choices for the rest of the assembly. It doesn't send a good message when there are recurring complaints about the grates rusting after just a few cooks. The single burner tube yields a healthy output of 12,000 BTUs per hour, intense enough for searing and sautéing. Though this grill is compatible with the onboard propane tank, you can also connect it to other fuel sources. If you use a propane canister, keep a spare ready and prepare the right connecting tools in advance. Even with few stainless steel parts, this grill doesn't pose any discernible cleaning problems. As you would with other gas grills, scrub the cooking grate with a brush and dish soap. Meanwhile, the burner needs to be clear of debris to perform at its optimal level. Even without an appropriate surface to set the grill, the mounting bracket provides a temporary base for your barbecue station. Even without any additional reinforcement, this rugged frame is enough to secure and support the whole grill on its own. Also, the lid includes a pair of latches to prevent food from spilling. Though there is room for improvement in certain areas, the Flame King Motorhome makes a decent purchase nonetheless. Its ample cooking area and sufficient heating capability are pleasant surprises for such a budget-saving gas grill.